Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have an amazing sale going on right now at Dollar General that I have to tell you all about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that we do have a lot going on at Dollar General this week, and I've already uploaded a few videos for you all, so make sure that you go and check them out. If you haven't already, I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below, but also make sure that you have those notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right in and talk about this sale. So right now at Dollar General, we have a sale buy one get one free on purple dot home items and brown dot home items. Now this sale will end on Monday, May the 8th. So you guys have to get out there and get in on these deals before this sale ends. Now, I'm going to be honest with you all. I didn't think much about this sale when I first walked into Dollar General to do my 5 off $25 deal yesterday. But once I started looking and finding a few different items, I thought, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and record just a little bit and show my people, all my crazy couponers, a few of the items that really don't stand out as purple dot items, but they are included in this sale. So here we are. We're in this store. Now, this is a very messy store. It is a smaller store. It's an older store. So we just kind of have to roll with the punches. Sometimes messy stores work in our favor, right? So here are a few purple dot items that I found at my store, and I do want to point out that it seems like in previous years that these have been easier to spot, like all of the purple dot items kind of centered around the ocean and water and blues and grays and things like that. But this year it seems like we also have red and green dot items that are kind of, you know, going along with that same theme. So if you're not sure, I know that on some of these tags, the purple dots are brighter and they almost look like a red dot. So if you're not sure, always use your Dollar General app to scan the products before you go up to the register. Now, here's one item that I actually ended up picking up because these are purple dot items and they do follow right along with this sale. So here we have some heavy duty hangers for $2 each. So buy one, get one free. You're going to pay $2 for 2 packs. Or they also have these non-slip hangers, which I ended up picking up. So these are $4.50 for 2 packs. And I believe there were 7 or 8 hangers per pack. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. They also have all kinds of these little decorative storage bins, all kinds of home decor items, of course, candles, signs, things like that. Now, also included are the purple dot storage boxes, and you're going to see those here in just a second. They have different sizes, they have different sayings on them, different designs. Just make sure that you scan them, make sure that they are a purple dot before you go up to the register. So there's just a couple that I found at my store. Now, of course, if you guys have a nicer, newer, more organized store, you're probably going to have more purple dot items to choose from. Like I said, this is an older store. It's messy, it's small, but they still have the older registers, so I'm not going to complain too much. Now, here's another item that I wanted to point out to you all. They have these huge True Living Flex baskets. These are just $5. Buy one, get one free. You really can't beat it. They have the white and the blue, and we could use these for all kinds of storage solutions. Now, I made my way over to the aisle where they're putting up all of the summer stuff, and they have a lot of the green dot home items, and something stood out to me here as well. On the bottom row, they have all of these little storage containers. So it's True Living Snap Storage. They have the large snap lid containers, $3 each. They are purple dot. They also have the 2-pack of the small snap lid containers, also purple dot, all kinds of different colors to choose from. Then they have the round snap top containers for $1 each. And also they have this meal prep kit. It's $7.50. It's a purple dot, and it is included in this sale. Buy one, get one for free. So you really can't beat it. And I just wanted to make sure that all of my crazy couponers out there were aware of all of these awesome items that are included in this sale. Now, remember that the purple dot home items are only half of the sale. We also have the brown dot home items that are included. They are buy one, get one free until May the 8th. So this sale will end when the stores close on Monday. So here are just a few of the brown dot home items that I found at this store. They have some really cute brown dot home items. And keep in mind that the brown dot home items, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, are currently at 25% off. Plus, with this buy one, get one free sale. So you can really come out with some good deals. And keep in mind that Mother's Day is right around the corner, and a lot of these would make really, really cute gifts. So like I said, there are all kinds of super cute items in this category. Everything from, like you all saw, the chalkboards, the shelving, they have candle holders, wine glasses. Here in just a few minutes, you guys are going to see some more items. And if you all really want to take a look at some brown dot home items, I have already put together that brown dot home visual video. So I will link that for you all in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now we are almost to the end of this video, so I do want to go ahead and give y'all a quick heads up that we have a lot going on at Dollar General this week. And I mean a lot. Everything from new coupons, new glitches, we have a huge penny list, we have the P&G spin deal still going on, plus we all have to get ready for this Dollar General clearance event, which is coming up next weekend. And y'all already know your girl has done her homework. So we have tons and tons and tons of deals to look forward to. We're going to have visuals. We're going to have coupon matchups, rebates, the whole 9 yards for the clearance event. And there will be multiple videos coming out, probably 2 a day. I don't know. We're just going to have to see how it all pans out. But definitely make sure that y'all stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss out on any of these awesome deals. So before you go, make sure that you do all of the things. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure that those notifications are turned on. And also do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways. We all love free stuff around here, right? That is a free way that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. All you have to do is share it to yourself in a text message or an email, and it really does help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.